Alright guys, we're going to do a rinseless wash on this car. However, we are going to rinse it first because that's just the safest way. So say what you will, rinseless wash, and you're still rinsing the car, Ben? Really? Yes, we're still rinsing the car. We're going to use the Feynlab Pure Rinseless. And this is a very, very nice rinseless, waterless type of product. Good cleaning properties. And then we'll go over it at the end with the Feynlab quick detailer here, or it just says detailer, but this should be a great combination for the ceramic coated car. I know it looks clean, it's white, that's why I bought it, so it always looks clean, but it is very dusty and very dirty. Let's get going with it. We're going to start with the rinse. I'll show you guys some of the beading from the Geon Synchro kit. I know everybody likes beading, right? All right, so we're going to fill this up to 1 ounce. We're going to dump it into our wash bucket here. So we've got 1 ounce. It's going to go in here. We've got our big red sponge that has been stained here. I actually washed it and it got a little bit of lint or towel on it. Not really a big deal. It'll come off as it gets wet here. So we're gonna soak that in this, let it soften up a little bit. This is the Feynlab Pure Rinseless, as you can see. We'll get that going. And we have another bucket right here that is just straight water with a grit guard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash from that bucket, wash the car, each panel, then I'll come back, put the sponge in there, rub it across the grit guards, get as much dirt as I can off it, go back to that bucket and wash some more. Let's see how long this takes. Gonna take our dirty sponge, clean it out and put it into out. We're gonna wash the car. Back to our dirty bucket. All right, we've got the car all washed up. We're gonna get the Feynlab detailer. This is the V3 version. Shake it up, spray some sprays on there, and wipe it in. Flip the towel and wipe it off. Now, that feels good on both sides. It is feeling a little slicker after the V3, but because of the Synchro and the skin kit, this is absolutely a dream over here just as well, but it's even smoother on this side. All right, let's continue on. And guys, this Feynlab detailer smells fantastic. I don't know, some type of grape or fruit smell. Now guys, if you can notice, these tires still have the G-on tire. And it's not like day one, but it is still darker and it looks nice. And this is about 6 weeks into this now. So the G-on tire is no joke, guys. All right, guys, so did you like the video? If you did, hit that like and subscribe button and press the notification bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today I'm just doing a maintenance wash on the Tesla Model Y Performance that has been ceramic coated with Geon's Synchro Kit. That's 2 coats of Mo's, 1 coat of skin. Skin is super slick. What am I using though? I'm using Feynlab Pure Rinseless and Feynlab Detailer V3. So the Pure Rinseless product is an excellent cleanser rinseless product. Okay, it'll make a waterless wash, a rinseless wash. I think you could probably make it as a clay lube, but it's a strong cleaning rinseless product. So I put 1 ounce into about, they say 250 to 1. I put it into about 1.5 gallons of water right here. All right. Now I'm using the big red sponge, and I know it looks purple, but that's because I washed it, and or I put it in a bucket with some towels, and the towels leaked some dye, and so it's now the big purple sponge. But anyway, you dip that in here, where I put 1 ounce of that into this bucket, and you wash the car. From there, you take this dirty sponge and you put it into the cleaner bucket. All right, and you wash it around. You wring it out and you bring it back to the rinseless bucket, and you keep going on about the car. Now, it's nice and cool today, so I was able to go around the whole car and do it at one time. If it's hotter, you'll do it panel by panel, and then you'll dry each panel. But since I'm in a nice cool climate right now, I know I'm sweating, but for me it's cooler. I can do the whole car, no problem, dry it. All with the Pure Rinseless Wash by Feynlab. I really think this is an excellent cleaner for ceramic coated cars. That's why I'm using this today. It's gonna clean the pores up out of the ceramic, right? Anything I've missed, any water spots, any drippage, that's what brings in the Feynlab detailer. Now this is a ceramic or an SiO2 detailer, and it's gonna boost up the coating. All right, so this coating is super slick. I put this on a towel, I sprayed it on the towel, I wiped it in the car, wiped it off the car, and it's even more slick after using this. Plus you're getting more protection of the coating itself. All right, you're protecting the coating, which is protecting the paint, and you're just kind of layering. And this smells really good, guys. So really try out the Feynlab products. Try out that Pure Rinseless Wash. Try out that Detailer V3 with the ceramic in it. Excellent products. I'm gonna walk around the car. I also use this on the wheels as well. All right, I just sprayed it on and did like a quick little waterless wash. Don't spray too much of that detailer, just a couple sprays per panel on your, either on the panel or on the towel. I like that, but that's all you need, a couple sprays per panel. Go over the panel, buff it off. Let me show you the car, guys, and the results.